Last time we were here at Yellowstone, everybody asked us in the comments, well, some people did, you were at Yellowstone, but you did not see the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone.
And the waterfalls, because they know how much we like waterfalls.
We do like waterfalls. So today we are rectifying that situation, and we're seeing the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone.
And a bunch of waterfalls. And we just did a little stop at Udine Falls, which was very pretty, and now we'll continue on our drive. It's a part of Yellowstone we haven't been to before.
That's right. Got about 30 more miles. Beautiful day. 70 degrees, some clouds in the sky finally, which will make for some better photos. Coming on the buffalo. What's up, buddy? Should we sing Home on the Range?
Where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play.
Hey, Buffalo Bro. We are at the North Rim Lower Falls parking area. Check out all these clouds. It's been a long time since we've had clouds like that. Rain and snow coming this weekend, especially for up here. This place is going to get, they say, up to about a foot, even down in the valley where we are. You could even see some snow, but it probably won't stick that much because the high is still in the like mid 40s, I think. The calm before the storm. And what the heck is Courtney doing? Courtney!
Yeah?
Are you okay?
I'm getting scoop already.
Oh, okay.
And I have to put sunscreen on.
So the overlooks that we were at are nice. You can see the falls, awesome view of the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone, but there's this overlook way down here a bit on the North Rim Trail that we saw from some of the overlooks that I think will make an awesome perspective at the waterfall. So we're gonna hoof it and see if we can get there before the rain starts. And I'll see if I can get a shot. All these times I've been omitting the word the. I've been saying Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. Apparently there's a the. Who knew? Let's keep going. There's the overlook. Now we're heading towards this isn't the same overlook. The one we were going to is down there somewhere.
We don't have to go all the way down there. Unless you want to.
So the overlook that we were going to is going to be way down there. Yeah, screw it. I was trying to talk myself out of walking all the way down to this lookout, but man, it looks so nice and it's eye level with the waterfall. And I don't think I'd be able to forgive myself if I said, nah, let's just keep going. And now all the steps. Worth the hike?
Worth the hike. Well, we've only done the hike down. The hard part's coming, but I liked it. I think it's worth it. take a selfie of us?
Now for the not so nice part, the hike back up.
Yep.
Look at this. Oh, this is messy.
See where they're going?
This is messy. Oh, the things we do for photography.
So we're hiking the North Rim Trail back to the truck after looking at that overlook at the falls. And we met another viewer, Tim and his aunt. And they said hi, and that they like our videos, and they saw that we were in Yellowstone but we had left, so they didn't think they'd see us again, but we're back. So, how cool. So, thanks Tim. Nice to meet you.
Seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range.
We're back, and the rain
It started.
has started.
And some thunderstorms rolling through. Very cool.
And we have a new neighbor.
We do. Not the best time to come and set up, but they're getting there.
We're gonna take it easy tonight and also tomorrow. And depending on the weather, maybe Friday and Saturday. Although I really want to get back to Yellowstone when there's snow, because I've wanted snow photography for a long time, really ever since Crater Lake. But that snow I actually didn't want because we wanted to go to those places. If you go back and watch some of those videos, you will see how frustrated we were. We didn't realize the snow lasted quite that long into the year. It was like June or something. Wasn't it June? It was June. So anyway, I want snow. I want to see snow. I don't want snow by the Airstream. I want to drive to the snow, maybe 15 or 20 minutes away. We'll see what happens. And this is, I think, this is our first major weather change since we've been traveling full time.
Huge cold front coming through. So lots of rain, lots of freezing temperatures. It should be interesting. I'm kind of excited.
I'm kind of excited too.
As we sit in shorts and t-shirts now. But
yeah, I'm sure by Saturday or Sunday we'll be itching for the 80s again. Because we're Arizona people. We don't like it 100 degrees, but we tend to like it a little bit warmer. But this is a nice change, and we're going to enjoy it.